Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today is the second series of our wooden dummy interruption techniques. So today we're going to be dealing with your opponent interrupting with a round punch to the open side. But before we get there, I want you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always. Thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So let's move on to our next interruption. So as much as I'd like to start working my way into the double lop, my opponent doesn't allow me to do that. So upon first pressure, when I make contact with my bill cell, he's going to throw a round punch with the other hand. So for me, I'm going to view. He's going to come in, I'm going to step, I'm going to fan, I'm going to lock inside palm, check his lead hand, palm strike, and I'm back into set one. So it'll come 1, 2, 3, and back to set one. So again, it's going to be 1, round punch comes, fan, strike, you can use the side palm or regular palm, hot palm, and then move on through the set. So on the opposite side, I move in with my view. As soon as I make contact, he throws a round punch. I'm going to fan here, lock inside palm, hop in palm, and back to the futsal as I move through. So let's put this in proper perspective for a fighting application. So I square up with Keith here, and as soon as I make contact with him first pressures, he steps out and whips a round punch on me. I'm going to take a release here, catch the lop cell, side palm simultaneously. If he blocks here, it's another aspect of utilizing my chi cell. He presses on my arm, I move around because I don't want to fight force with force. I lao cell, take the palm strike, move outside, strike to the body. So let's take it again. I make contact, he throws it, interrupt with a lop, come back around, pull the hand down, strike, move outside, strike to the body. One more time. Coming through view, come back, lop, move outside, hop palm, turn his body, and strike.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.